So hey guys, what's up? This is Khushi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do my makeup within 5 minutes. Yes guys, within 5 minutes. So let me tie my hair first before starting the makeup so that makeup करते वक्त मुझे कोई difficulty ना आए. Okay, so I'm taking my comb. And we'll take a rubber band and we'll tie it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna start my timer. 5 minutes as you guys can see. So let me start the timer and we'll show you how to do makeup in 5 minutes. So I'm starting in. Okay, so it has started. So first I'll apply a sunscreen. Okay, so first I will apply a sunscreen. I have already applied moisturizer. Okay, so I'm taking this primer from Maybelline New York Master Prime and will take it on my finger. ये भी खत्म होने वाला है guys. बंद भी हो जाओ. Okay, so I have done my primer. Now I will apply a CC cream which is in the shade Bronze from Lakme. So I'm taking it on my hand. Now I have done my CC cream, and as it is a CC cream, so there is no need to apply any concealer, but if you need, you can apply. And now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows. Okay, so first I'm going to take this light shade and will apply it on my crease. Okay, now I'm going to take a darker shade, which is this one, and will apply it in the outer corner and blend it towards the inner corner. I will take a shimmery shade, which is this one, and apply it in my inner corner with my fingers. And now I will apply some mascara. So I will apply some blush with my brush. So I'm taking some of the blush and will apply it like this. Time नहीं होगा space कि मैं अभी देख पाऊँ उसमें mirror में, तो मैं ऐसे ही apply कर ले रही हूँ. पता नहीं कैसे apply होगा ये. Now I'm gonna apply some highlighter. Okay, so now I'm going to apply a nude shade lipstick, which is from Lakme 9 to 5. या सो टाइम्स अप एंड मैंने 5 मिनट में पूरा मेकअप किया है. ओके सो या ओके सो आई एम गोना डू अ हेयर स्टाइल, जो कि आप लोग मुझे क्लियर देखा नहीं होगा क्योंकि मैं करती ही नहीं. सो क्या करूँ मैं सोच रही हूँ एक साइड पोनी करने का. सो लेट मी चेक मुझे कैसा. ओके सो निकल ही नहीं रहा. अरे यार फंस गया मेरे से. ओके सो या शिट. If you enjoyed, do like, share and comment. I don't know. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you in the next video. So bye bye.